In this video, let us build a L-shaped stair and then let us find its cost. Let us open the 3D view and then we'll open the stair dialog box for a L-shaped stair. My stair will begin from B grid, the horizontal grid, and vertical grid will be 2 and offset will be minus 2.5 meters. The bottom level of the stair will be 1 and top level will be 2, level 2. Number of risers in first flight would be 6 and in second flight it will have 11 risers. So it will be a asymmetric stair. Tread length, let it be 250 millimeters. Stair width, let it be 1 meter. West slab thickness, let it be 275 millimeters. Landing thickness, let it be 250. Stair will have a right run. The mark of the stair, say ST13. Stair will be pointing towards the north side and it will have a right turn. It will begin with a riser and end with a riser. So hit the OK button. Select the bottom slab and then the top slab. Now save this stair family. Let the name be ST13. So this is the way I have constructed the stair. Let us draw the section lines. InstaCrete gives a clean join. You can see here, this is the top floor and this is the west slab of this stair, and it gives a clean join here. In the same way, let us have a section in north-south direction. Right, so you have a clean join between this west slab and the floor. Now let us find the concreting cost of this stair, and the first step would be to set the concrete settings. To do that, open the concrete setting dialog box. Suppose the concrete mix is M35 and cost is say 5,000. You can say 5,000 rupees, dollars, or whatever it may be. Save this setting and close this dialog box. Now the next step is to attach this cost setting to this stair. So for that, open the stair manager, select level 1 and select the concrete mix in this column, that is M35. This column will be automatically populated. Hit the OK button. Now we have attached the concrete setting to this stair. Now to find the cost of this stair, let us open the reports tool. To build the stair model, we use structural foundations template. So select structural foundations, name the Excel file. I'm going to save this file in demo folder. Let the file name be stair. Save the file. Select the fields. Let us select count, concrete cost, concrete mix. Select mark. Then select volume. arrange these fields and finally hit the OK button. Finally, I'm going to open the Excel file. Here is that Excel file, and in that file you can see the cost, total cost. This field has been automatically added by InstaCrete, and it gives the total cost of the stair, that is 12,250. The volume is 2.45 cubic meter, and here is the concrete mix and the cost.